everyone, and today for first impression we are going to do the Joyful Duo. This is a collection with two Lipson's colors. Until it reached me, I never realized they were like the smaller size tubes. So the one color here is Sugar Plum and the other one is Golden Orchid. So Sugar Plum, I think many of you already might have had it. This is one of my favorite from last year's the previous year's winter collection. It came with the candy cane, Sugar Plum and Currant. So already Currant used to be a big hit in my group, and also Sugar Plum is like such a sheer mauve tinted, but it has beautiful gold glitters in it. Similar way the other one is Golden Orchid. So this is what we are going to do for our first impression. I'm going to do this is the original Sugar Plum when it came. You can see the size difference. So this is the full size tube, whereas this is a little smaller size. So a full size tube of Lipson's is $25, whereas these are $19. So let's go ahead and do both the colors. So both of these are obviously for my pink lovers in the group. So here you can see it's such a pretty mauve. Maybe I'll show this tube. You can see it clearly. It's a mauve with gold glitters on it. It's a very sheer color. That way you can top it on like a layering combo with any of the Lipson's colors just to add the glitter. So let me go ahead and do 3 layers, seal it with glossy and show you how the color looks on me. So here is Sugar Plum on me with glossy gloss. You can see it's very subtle pink, and it has a little bit of glitter to it. You can see it here. So that's why I said it's such a pretty mauve shade for even to tone it down any even darker pink. For example, if you have Purple Rain or Kiss for a Cause, Fuchsia, all those kind of bright colors, you can even do 1 or 2 layers of it and top it with such a pretty color to tone it down and add more glitters to it. As you all know, those are all matte shades, so they don't have any glitter or anything. So that way having a color like this going to add more sheen to it, and at the same time this is a color that is very subtle to carry even as a everyday shade. So Sugar Plum, I know many of you might have grabbed it during last Thanksgiving. I know this is one of the set that came with it. So nude pink is one of my go-to choices whenever I'm going with a pigmented gloss. So this will be another go-to choice if you are having a pigmented gloss where you want the gloss to be shined and don't want much color underneath. So even 1 or 2 layers of Sugar Plum with the Huckleberry, Rosewood, there are so many pigmented glosses that will complement this look. Even Berry Blast will look really nice on top of this. So let's go ahead and do Golden Orchid and see how different it is. So I have taken down the Sugar Plum. Now I'm going with the Golden Orchid. You can see they both are completely different. This is more of a sheer color. So this is more of a cool pink with gold glitters on it. Both of them are returning colors. They are not new. So let me do 3 layers of Golden Orchid, seal it with glossy and show you. So this is Golden Orchid on me. You can see it's a light pink compared to Sugar Plum. So here is Sugar Plum. It's more of a sheer, whereas this is more of a cool pink. Like you can see it's like a pink with a lighter tint to it. It is like more of a, I would say, Aussie rose kind of a pink. I am more of a bold person, so obviously this will not be my choice. Maybe if I top it with a different colored gloss, I can show you how it looks on me. I'm going to top it with Huckleberry just to show you how these can be a nice base for these kind of pigmented glosses. So you see the same color just with the gloss. You can change the look completely. Same with if I'm topping it with rosewood or something, it is going to look completely different on with each color gloss. So even if you want to wear what is it, like a pigmented gloss, I would always suggest you to go with any Lipson's color, but just as a single layer even. What that is going to help is just if you wear a gloss, it will smudge faster or it gets absorbed, whereas when you have a base, it's going to stay a little longer than having a normal gloss. So that is my preference all the time. So I always like to have one layer of a Lipson's color if I'm going with the pigmented gloss. So that's the first impression of the Joyful Duo. So it came with Sugar Plum and Golden Orchid. You can anytime when they release a collection, you can pick them individually or as a collection. So when it comes as a collection, you will get the free bag, and or else also you can pick them individually. So hope you liked it. Have a wonderful day, guys.